Now we will begin.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. We will begin exercise 10.2. All of you open your book. Here it is based on which congruency rule? ASA congruency rule and RHS congruency rule. Means you will get the questions based on these two congruency rules. What is ASA congruency rule? If in between two triangles, there are two triangles. If in between two triangles, two pair of angles are equal, this you can say triangle PQR and this is triangle XYZ. Here it is given angle P is equal to angle Y. Angle Q is equal to angle X. So if two pair of angles are equal, then third will be automatically equal. Third will automatically becomes equal. It's clear? Because sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So if this equals to this equals to this, then this angle will become equal to this angle. Now if this side is equal to XY, then here both are congruent. It's clear? Both will become congruent. Here this side is including to the pair of angles which are equal. It is including to those pair of angles which are equal. So side must be included by those pair of angles which are equal. You can write in any manner, but what is the meaning of S? Means the included side. Included side by these two angles which you have proved equal. Then one is the RHS congruency. In the RHS congruency, you know that if in between two triangles, two right angle triangles, if in between two right angle triangles, hypotenuse is equal, this equals to this, and one more side is equal, then both the triangles will be congruent by RHS congruency. RHS congruency means right angle, hypotenuse, and one more side. Right angle, hypotenuse, and one more side. By RHS congruency, both the triangles will become congruent. It's clear? Now here questions based on these two you will get. See the question number 10.2, question number 1. You can see here. Question number 1. In triangle ABC and PQR, this is triangle ABC and this is triangle PQR. Angle A equals to the angle Q. Then angle B is equal to the angle R. Which side of triangle PQR should be equal to the side AB of triangle ABC so that the two triangles are congruent? मतलब इनके congruent होने के लिए, दोनों triangles को congruent होने के लिए PQR की कौन साइड यहाँ पर AB के इक्वल होनी चाहिए? बताओ.
QR.
QR.
2R. Because AB is including to these two angles. AB इन दोनों एंगल्स को इंक्लूड कर रही है। ये दोनों एंगल्स यहाँ कहाँ, ये कौन सी साइड है? QR. So answer is QR. Are you whether it is understood? अगर हम यहाँ पर
Yes, sir.
पूछें ट्रायंगल PQR में कौन सी साइड BC के करेस्पॉन्डिंग होगी? ट्रायंगल PQR में कौन सी साइड BC के करेस्पॉन्डिंग होगी? तो देख लो, दो एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो थर्ड तो अपने आप इक्वल हो जाएगा, ये वाला इसके अपने आप इक्वल हो जाएगा। BC इसको टच कर रहा है, यहाँ पर क्या है? RP। BC के करेस्पॉन्डिंग क्या हो जाएगा? RP। So have you got question number 2? You can see here in the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. This is A, B, Q, R. Angle A equals to angle Q. Angle A is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle R. Which of PQR should be equal to BC? PQR की कौन सी साइड BC के इक्वल हो, so that the triangles are congruent?
RP.
PQR की कौन सी साइड BC के इक्वल हो? So you can see here, since two pair of angles are equal, therefore third will be automatically equal. हमको BC के करेस्पॉन्डिंग बतानी है कि इसके करेस्पॉन्डिंग यहाँ कौन सी? BC is touching this and this, and here it is
RP.
So BC, so side will be RP. And why? As it touches to same pair of angles to which BC is touching. To which BC is touching. It's clear? Now see here. After this, you see the question number 4. Question number 4. Now see here. This is A, B, C, D, M, and this is N. ऐसा ये दिया हुआ इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर AD इज मीडियन. मीडियन का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय मीडियन? Which line drawn from any vertex of the triangle dividing the opposite side. So see here, as AD is median, as AD is median, therefore it will bisect BC. क्यों? क्योंकि A के अपोजिट कौन सी साइड है? BC. It will bisect BC. Therefore, D is midpoint of BC, and D is midpoint of BC. Therefore, BD equals to CP. BD is equal to CD. BD equals to CD. Now here you have to prove BM and CN are perpendicular. BM is perpendicular, means this angle is 90, and CN is also perpendicular on AD. Prove that BM equals to CN, means you have to prove this equals to this. तो अब देख लो, in both triangles you will take triangle AMD and triangle CFD. In triangle AMD and triangle CND, बताओ दोनों किस टाइप के ट्रायंगल हैं? राइट एंगल.
राइट
एंगल इज इक्वल टू एंगल N इक्वल्स टू 90 डिग्री. देख, इसका हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है? BD. इसका हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है? CD. दे आर इक्वल. क्यों? क्योंकि यहां तुमने बोला BD equals to CD. This you can write from 1. RHS congruency में क्या होता है? Right angle, hypotenuse and one more side. It's clear? But here side is not given. One more side is not given. So see here, you can take this angle is equal to what? ये दोनों एंगल आपस में कैसे हैं?
Vertically opposite.
So we will write angle BDM equals to angle CDN. Vertical opposite angle. Now this equals to this equals to this. Therefore, this angle will become equal to this. ये इक्वल हो जाएंगे कि नहीं? Therefore, angle MBD equals to angle NCD as two pair of angles are equal. So see here, now you can see here which congruency rule will be fulfilled. ASA, it will be fulfilled. Have you got ASA? So by ASA congruency, they will become congruent. So therefore, triangle AMD congruent to CN by ASA congruence, and they are congruent. Therefore, BM equals to CN, CPCTC. Whether they will be corresponding parts or not, you can check. It is touching BM, it touching to this and 90, this and 90 is here, this so touching to CN. So it is fulfilled. Whether it is clear? Bole.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you
Yes,
see
sir.
one more. Here you can see one more question. Question number 4. This. Now here DN is perpendicular. This is perpendicular and this is also perpendicular. Now you can see here in the adjoining figure BM and DN are perpendiculars to the line segment AC. If BM equals to DN, this is given equal. Prove that AC bisects BD. AC bisects what you have to prove? AC bisects BD. मीनिंग क्या है? AC BD को दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड करती है. मतलब हमको क्या प्रूव करना है? बोले AC bisects BD means you have to prove BD ये है, AC उसको दो इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर रही, मतलब BE equals to DE means you have to prove BE equals to DE. अगर हम ये प्रूव कर दें, both the triangles will become congruent. You can see here proving in triangle DNE and triangle BME. Have you seen? This angle equals to this angle 90 degree. These two are
The opposite angle.
vertical opposite angle. Therefore, third pair will be automatically equal. DN equals to BM given. Therefore, by ASA, congruency, both the triangles will be congruent. And when they are congruent, then DE equals to BE. DE will become equal to BE. So see here, in triangle DNE and triangle BME. Here you can see angle N equals to angle M, each of 90 degree. Then angle DEN equals to angle BEM. Vertical opposite angles. Vertical opposite angles. And angle NDE equals to angle MBE. As two pairs, pair of angles are equal. DN equals to, this is given. So therefore, angle DNE triangle DNE congruent to the triangle BME. By which congruency? ASC congruency. Therefore, DE equals to DE. CPCT. Hence proved. सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now see the question number 6. Question number
Yes, sir.
6 are written here. This is also 4. This is also 4. Actually, it is 5. In the book, numbering is not correct. हमारी बुक में तो खैर नहीं सही है. Now you can see here. Question number 6. I will just explain. In the adjoining figure, L and M are two parallel lines intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. See here. This is the line L and this is line M. These are two parallel lines. Now these are intersected by another pair of parallel lines P and Q. Another pair of parallel line P and Q. So that triangle ABC is congruent to CDA, that you have to show. So you can see here, it's very simple. This is A, B, C, D. You have to prove triangle ABC congruent to CDA. ABC congruent to CDA. You can see here. बोलो ये वाला एंगल किसके इक्वल होगा?
Angle ACD.
Angle ACD.
क्यों?
Alternate opposite angles.
Alternate opposite angles. It's clear. Now this angle will be equal to which angle in this triangle?
Angle CAD.
Angle CAD. Why?
Alternate opposite.
Alternate opposite angle.
Alternate opposite. And AC is common in between both the triangles. AC दोनों triangles में क्या है? Common है. Therefore, by angle, side angle, both the triangles are congruent. Whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
AC है? नहीं समझ में आया? फिर से बताएं क्या?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Now see the question number 7. Questions बहुत ही simple है. Here it is O. This is C, B, A, D. It's clear. In the adjoining figure, two lines AB and CD intersect each other at O, such that BC parallel to DA. It is given BC parallel to DA. This is given. And BC equals to DA. BC is also given equal to DA. means BC is parallel to DA, BC is equal to DA. So that O is the midpoint of both the line segments, means what you have to prove? O is the midpoint of AB, O is the midpoint of CD. O is midpoint of AB and CD. This you have to prove. Now see here, what does it mean? O is the midpoint of AB. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? कौन सी दो लेंथ्स बराबर होंगी?
CO is equal to OD.
CO is equal to.
नहीं, हम करें जब करें O is the midpoint of AB. O AB का midpoint
OA
है.
is equal to OB.
Means you have to prove OA equals to OB. When O is the midpoint of CD, then what will you say?
OC is equal to
CO
D.
is equal to OD.
To D.
OD equals to OC. Now see here, how will you prove? In triangle OAB and triangle OCB, this angle will be equal to which angle here?
So D.
So D.
Angle D. बताओ ये वाला एंगल किसके इक्वल होगा?
Angle A.
A.
Angle A.
And BC is given equal to DA. Therefore, by ASA, both the triangle will be congruent. And when they are congruent, then this equals to this CPCTC. Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is the question number 8. At what time next class will begin? तो बताएगा. You can see here it is given A, C, D, E. हमको क्या प्रूव करना है? ट्राइंगल ACD congruent to the triangle BCD, BDC. You can see here this angle is given equal to this, and this angle is given equal to this. तो अगर इन दोनों को इक्वल ऐड कर देंगे, then angle ACD will become equal to BDC. Angle ACD will become equal to angle BDC if you add them. Whether it is clear? बोले.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you separate both the triangle. दोनों ट्रायंगल को अलग अलग देंगे. ये ट्रायंगल हुआ ACD and the other is BCD. You can see here that this angle is equal to this angle. This you have already proved. ACD is equal to BDC. You have proved. Then it is given ADC. ADC this. ये वाला किसके इक्वल है? It is equal to BCD, means इसके equal. And CD is common in between both the triangles. Therefore, they will be congruent by which congruency?
ASA. ASA.
Yes. By
ASA.
ASA congruency, they will be congruent. And when they are congruent, then BC will be equal to AD, CPCTC. By CPCTC, they will be congruent. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके सामने AC, AD है, इसके सामने क्या है? BC है. So BC is congruent to AD. Similarly, this angle will be equal to this angle by CPCTC. So whether it is clear?
Yes, sir.